Josh Lukai, the Agriculture and Livelihood Officer, JAM International. But also I'm given a title of a senior agronomist. I went to Makerere University for modern agribusiness and entrepreneurship. Then I went to Uganda Management Institute for project monitoring and evaluation. Then lastly, I was in Baraka Agricultural College in Kenya for sustainable agriculture and rural development. My duties here is actually to train the POCs. I am given the task to plan for the agricultural activities, be it training, be it procurement of seeds and other inputs that are required for production.
She has 2 children in secondary school. Through the training JAM gave them, now she's managed to buy for them sandals or shoes for the school.
One member we have trained, and in our training we don't focus on only one form of activities. This one she is practicing is what we call integrated farming. It is actually a kitchen garden because it is next to the kitchen. So whatever waste material is from the kitchen, the water, the waste water from the kitchen is directed the way you see here, going into the garden. But before it is taken there, we incorporate ash so as to neutralize, because the water that comes from the kitchen contains acid because of the soap. So when you incorporate ash, that is already an alkaline. Also, we call it integrated because here we have got a poultry unit. The poultry unit will feed the vegetable garden because of the manure, the droppings.